Dangerous chemicals dumped into a public water body, hundreds of people suffering from nausea, vomiting and respiratory problems, and a grave illegality that authorities in the area have simply refused to crack down on. Most of the victims of Saturday's health scare in Ulhasnagar have recovered, but a Times Now investigation reveals that even local authorities may be in cahoots with the mafia that is responsible for dumping the toxic chemicals.
Toxic chemicals illegally dumped in the dead of the night. The noxious fumes poisoning over 300 residents in Ulhasnagar on the outskirts of Mumbai. Times Now at the accident site, trying to get to the root of the cause, only to find that the residents are waging a lonely war against a local mafia behind dumping of the toxins.
तो हमें यहाँ आने के बाद मालूम पड़ा कि कोई टैंकर है यहाँ पे जो ड्रॉप करता है केमिकल, और वो डेंजर केमिकल है.
These are some of the pipes from where the tankers discharge the chemical effluents, and it directly gets in touch with the river water, Valandi river, which connects Ambernath and Ulhasnagar. Now this area is around 50 kilometers away from Mumbai, between Ulhasnagar and Ambernath.
These images from just 24 hours before the horrific incident, exposing how locals tried to stop same chemical tankers but were allegedly threatened by the cops.
The police didn't give us an inch of support with us. If they had given support to us, this incident might not happen.
It is going on from last 1 year, more than 1 year, and we had already reported to DCP office last 1 year in writing through our association. Okay. But I think nobody has taken any action.
But despite Saturday's tragedy, the authorities have been slow to act. And it was only after Times Now took these images to the police that they promised to take action.
And definitely we are going to take action.
Would you request those people who have agreed to speak to me, those who tried to stop these tankers, to come and speak to police?
Certainly. They should come forward and give us the information, and certainly we are acting on that.
Last thing, some of the policemen have also been clicked in this picture, and who made them delete, the locals delete these pictures.
Stern action will be taken against them.
The total number of chemical tankers that were released in this river on Friday night, that's early Saturday morning between 2 and 3, was more than 9 to 10 tankers, and that is the reason this intensity of the gas became so bad that the locals were rushed to the hospital.
While a major catastrophe was averted this time, the incident exposing the mafia, police nexus, shouldn't the state government now act against the corrupt officials who have let them have a free hand? Bureau Report.